Well, it has been a sigh of relief, welcome, even cheer for the crypto sector in Indian markets after the RBI notification, which says that the banks and other entities cannot cite April 2018 circular. But this was a circular that RBI had put at that point in time, telling banks to suspend all kind of financial activities or services to cryptocurrencies as a sector. The circular suspending banking services to virtual currencies was actually set aside by Supreme Court in March 2020. But since then, the RBI had not come out with another circular supporting this or changing its circular from April 2018. And that's exactly what RBI has done at this point in time. In the recent few days, we have seen banks cautioning customers against dealing virtual currencies via emails. And these are big banks. These are the banks that many of the customers have been dealing with. So there have been concerns when the money has been moving from your account to the wallets, to the cryptocurrency exchange, etc. And there have been those concerns for last 1 month, etc. But RBI notification now addresses that and says that all the banks, commercial and cooperative, and other financial institutions, etc., have to do due diligence, but they cannot continue to cite April 2018 circular. As of now, as the Supreme Court has set aside, you can deal in cryptocurrency exchanges and cryptocurrencies in India, while of course it has been called virtual currencies by the RBI circular itself. These are a couple of advices that RBI has put out in sense of due diligence. Know your customer and anti-money laundering are a couple of steps that the crypto exchanges are already doing at this point in time. RBI also says that combating of financial terrorism, Prevention of Money Laundering Act and Foreign Exchange Management Act are a few things that they also need to do as and when the need arises or they deem fit. Also, virtual cryptocurrency participation in India has surged in the past year, is the reason we have seen these moves coming in. Every month, millions of new participants are coming into these exchanges there, and the Indian regulators have been cautioning about the associated risk with the sector, and is the reason that we have seen this step coming in. The exchanges and the participants say that this is a welcome step, but still direction and regulation is something that they are still awaiting for.